Hi guys, you're welcome to Your Security. Today I want to take you through how to install QUBES OS on a USB drive. The minimum requirement for this installation, we need 2 USB. One should be a minimum of 8 GB and the other should be a minimum of 64 GB. The 8 GB, we will make it a bootable drive, and the 64 GB, that's where we will be doing our installation. So by not wasting your time, let me take you to the screen. Hello guys, this is my screen. So the first thing we have to do is to download our QUBES OS. So I'll open my browser, then I'll search for QUBES. The first result, QUBESOS.org. I'll click on it. So this is QUBES official site. So let's see some write-ups. So it was loading one of the whistleblowers. He said, if you are serious about your security, QUBES is the best OS available today. Is what I use and it's free. So if you are concerned about your security, QUBES is one of the best OS available today, and it's also a free resource. So we go ahead to click on download, and in here we will download the latest version. I'll click on it, and you can save it to any location you want to save, and you click on save, and the download will start automatically. But I have already downloaded it on my system, so if you click on save, it will start downloading for you. So I'll end it here, and we will head on to Rufus. Rufus.ie, we click on it. Then we scroll down. The standard version, I am using Windows 64, so I'll download the standard version. So you can save it to anywhere you want to save. Then you click on the save, then Rufus will start downloading. But mind you, I have also downloaded the Rufus already, so I'll end it here. So if you follow the same procedure, you will get your Rufus, and you will get your QUBES downloaded. So our next process is to insert our USB device in our PC. So I will insert my USB device in my PC. You can see I've inserted my USB device in my PC. So now our USB device is inserted in our PC. Let's double check. This is our USB device and it's inserted already. So I'll go ahead to open Rufus. Then Rufus has automatically detected our USB device. I'll come here to select, then I'll navigate to where I save my QUBES. I save it on my desktop, so I will click on the desktop. I will select QUBES, then I'll select open, then it will open it. Then you can leave everything as same, or you can change. I will change this. Okay, I can leave it like that as default. Then I'll click on start. Then in here, remember, you change it to write in DD image mode. You change it from ISO image mode to DD image mode. So I'll click OK. Now it's saying that all your data on the USB will be deleted. So I'll click yes, I want it to be deleted. So OK. So I sit tight and wait as my bootable device is making. It may take a couple of minutes, so I sit tight to wait as it continues to do its thing. Okay guys, it is done, and our USB bootable is ready. So we close it. I will now remove it from my PC. And I will stop the recording, and I'll stop the recording, and I'll switch off my PC and on it again. Then I'll start the recording. Okay guys. Hello guys, this is the bootable USB drive we just made with Rufus that contains the QUBES OS. So first of all, I will insert it in my laptop. My laptop is off, you can see. Then I was on my laptop. Then I will go ahead to press on my boot menu key. My boot menu key is escape, but it's different from each and every laptop. So to find your boot menu key, you can just simply Google it, and you will find your boot menu key, and you will navigate to the boot menu. So we are in the boot menu now. So first of all, we have to come to the boot device option. I'll click on it, and you can see that we have different options here, and this is the USB drive that we just inserted inside. This is the USB drive that is containing the QUBES OS. This USB drive, this is it. So we will click on boot from the USB drive. We are booting from this USB drive because it's containing the QUBES OS. So we are booting from it. We just click on it. Then we use our arrow key to navigate to the install QUBES. Then we click on enter. It will take a couple of minutes, but it will come as we wait. Let's insert the USB that we want to install the QUBES OS on. I am using 64 GB USB drive. I will insert it here. Okay, let me insert it on the other side. I will insert it here, you can see. So this is the USB drive that we want to install the QUBES OS on, and this is the USB drive that is containing the QUBES OS. So we sit tight and wait. Okay, so here we select the language. I'll select US, the keyboard UX, and the language to English. Then I'll go ahead to click on continue down here. You can see it. Then it will bring me here. So here you can see we will select the installation destination. We will click on the installation destination. Let me zoom it a little. I'll click on the installation destination. Then inside the installation destination, you can see that it has automatically identified the USB drive that I inserted inside. But normally it does not identify it automatically. Normally it will identify the hard drive that is in the laptop and also the USB you inserted inside. So you have to choose the installation on the USB. So in that case, when it identifies your hard drive, it will come to, you will see your hard drive in your PC and you will see the USB. So you just click on the USB to select it and you click on done. But I need my data to be encrypted, so I will select the encryption option. Encrypt my data. I will select it, I will tick it, then I will go ahead to click on done. And because I want to encrypt my data, they are asking me for a password phrase that will protect my encrypted data. So in here you have to put a strong password phrase, otherwise it will not accept. So as successfully as so here, so when we choose our password phrase, we click on continue, it will bring us to the next, this one. So here we reclaim our space. Reclaiming your space means that it will delete everything that is on the USB drive that you are making your installation on. So we go ahead to accept. We reclaim the space, and in here it will ask that it want to delete everything that is on the USB. So it will delete all. We delete all. Then we go ahead to reclaim space. Then our installation destination is selected. We go ahead to create our user creation. We click on it. So now we want to create our user. I will use the name Your Security. And the password also should be a strong password. Okay, I'll go ahead to select done. You can see up here when I put in my username and the full name, then the password, then I'll go ahead to select done. Okay, then it's done. We have finished creating our user creation. So down here you can see begin installation. Let me zoom it a little bit. You can see it, begin installation. We now click on it, then the QUBES installation begins. So the QUBES installation can take up to 30 minutes to finish. So I will cut the video, and when it is done, I will start the video again. Guys, the installation is now done. You can see here it is done, complete. And here it is reboot your system. So we will reboot the system now by clicking on the reboot system. Click on it. then the system will be rebooting. The same thing, we go ahead to first remove the USB that was containing the QUBES OS. Then we click on so when the machine is done rebooting, it is asking us for the password phrase for our encryption. So don't forget your password. Put our password. Okay, you can see that it's like the installation is not complete, but this is only one time. When you reboot, you will encounter this. You just click on it and it will show you some options. Then you just click on, I'll just leave everything, then I'll just click on done, and it is done. Then I'll just click here. You can see that finish configuration. Let me zoom it a little bit for you to see. Finish configuration. You just click on that to finish the configuration. And you can see that so this is only one time. After it finished the configuration, anytime you reboot it will not encounter this. Hello guys, now the configuration is done. So it brings us to the login. So you remember we created a username, and we created our password. So we have to put that password here. Just hit enter. Now you can see our QUBES is ready. It seems that the Wi-Fi of QUBES is not working. I've tried using Wi-Fi on QUBES and it's not working. So I think Wi-Fi is not working. So I mostly use Ethernet cable to connect QUBES. So as you can see, it says that we want to configure our network, or we just want to connect to Tor. So I want to use the Tor network. I think that's the safest way. I'll just click on next. Then next. Then finish. So our QUBES is up and running, and thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe and like, and in my next video I will try to teach about how to hack Wi-Fi network using alpha adapter. So subscribe and like, and also click on the notification button, so whenever I drop a video you can get the notification and you can watch it yourself. Thank you, and see you next time.